Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you from CES 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Joining us for this segment, we have Matt Casella. He's president of Richtech Robotics, and we're here to discuss AI-powered service solutions that leverage Nvidia technology to interact and to adapt to customers. Matt, it is great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thank you, it's exciting to be back.
We were talking about this off camera before, and it feels like we went from 0 to 60, from 2024 to 2025. All of these concepts are now on the floor and integrated into our lives. And robotics stuck out the most to me.
Yes, I mean, it's exciting. We're excited about robotics. That's what we do. And it's really the coupling of robotics and AI that is really what's most exciting, I think, to those of us in the industry and people out there. You talked about speed. It's really the speed with which that progress is going to continue through the power of AI.
And so tell us more about how you're working with Nvidia AI Technology and how it's allowing for robotics to adapt in a whole new way.
Yeah, I mean, I think, as I mentioned, it's the speed, right? So we use a few different NVIDIA products in our solutions, right? We use NVIDIA's Orin system, NVIDIA's Jetson system. We use the Isaac Sim system to train, right? So it's really about this training of robots to be able to get them, used to operating in all sorts of new environments that you can do virtually, right? And so things that used to take days or weeks or months can now happen in minutes and hours, right? So the idea of being able to train robots that much quicker, to be able to have them easily ready to be deployed very quickly in all sorts of new environments is exciting.
So tell us about what you're showcasing at CES this year.
So we're showcasing our full portfolio of solutions, right? Which for us include cleaning solutions, AMRs, autonomous mobile robots, which is kind of the workhorse. It's our most mature product line, and then our AI service solution, right, which is really embodied in our Atom robot as well as our Scorpion robot. So Atom right now is deployed, right? All of our robots are commercially deployed. We have over 300 robots deployed throughout the country. And so Atom is deployed as a barista in a few different locations. Right. He's making coffee.
I remember us talking about that last year.
We actually had an exciting deployment this year where he's making cocktails at Globe Life Field down where the Texas Rangers play. He was installed just in time for the All-Star game this year. So he's out in the world working, right? And so it really, the solutions that can come with Atom, with his AI power, are really exciting for us and are going to be very exciting for our customers going forward.
Well, if you need someone to beta test the cleaning solutions, I have a house that you're more than welcome to test at my house.
Absolutely.
It's so interesting. One of the key themes we've been talking about is the rate and the velocity of how these technologies are evolving. Our conversation next year could look really different. So what's next for 2025?
Absolutely. I mean, I think for us, it's going to continue to expand the capability through our AI service robots, right? So Atom and Scorpion, as well as continuing to push on these AMRs. So for us personally, it's continuing to harness the power of the change that's going to come and the new functionality that's going to be there. Every day we turn around, there's new and exciting technology and new possibilities for what we can do with it. I think it's really exciting. We talked about AI and robotics, right? And they've kind of always been together, but their own thing. And really now the ability to combine them. I think Jensen Huang referred to the robotics ChatGPT moment, right? Where AI-powered robotics is really going to explode what's coming.
Because
for us
AI
all.
is not new to you, right? We've learned about it over the past couple of years as consumers. So there's that expectation that it's going to be widely available for the products.
In how most consumers have experienced it, right? It's ChatGPT. Everybody uses ChatGPT for all sorts of things, right? I mean, it's a powerful workhorse. I think they mentioned that they have their premium product is actually being overused, right? That they're actually losing money because people are using it so much. So really, people have leaned into that. Now what we're seeing, right, with this physical embodiment of AI into robots is going to be, I think, a very exciting thing for the future.
At a higher level in terms of the industry, outside of the capabilities it has with customers and services, what other use cases are you seeing robots being applied to?
So I think it's important to kind of see where we're at and where we're going. And I think at Richtech, we're focused on what is ready to be commercialized today. Get our robots out in the world working. I think you talk about humanoid robots, they're fully humanoid robots, right? It's something that looks like you and I and walks and talks and does all the same things. And those are very exciting. and they're coming. For us, we're really focused more on kind of purpose-built robots that can be, can do a wide array of things, but really when you think about the tasks that humans do, we believe that up to 80% of those tasks are done by a human while sitting at a desk or standing in front of a counter, right? So that's kind of where we focus our robotic solutions, and then thinking about how they get coupled with other AMRs, mobility robots, so that they can perform tasks, but really it's about this full ecosystem, how you can build automated ecosystems, and that really is exciting for us, that we have customers who can come in and we talk about, maybe a solution that we're delivering to them today, but then they're able to look at our full portfolio and think about how they can start to couple those technologies together. And for us, really building out a well-rounded ecosystem of robotic solutions is what's exciting, and that's the path forward for Richtech Robotics.
All right, appreciate the insight, Matt. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me from CES. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.